Ensure the next hull segment is aligned precisely with these coordinates before the lift.
Confirmed. We have the gantry scheduled for 1400 hours.
Thickness is within tolerance.
Surface check complete. Moving to data input.
Lowering the plate now. Make sure the alignment is correct.
It's aligned. Bring it down slowly. All right, easy now. Bring her down slow. Secure the clamps and light them up.
Check the laser alignment on section 4. We need absolute precision here.
Reading confirmed, engineer. Green light on the sensor.
Lower it slowly. Watch the starboard side. Copy that. Easy down.
Okay, hold it right there. Ease it to the left.
Confirmed. Easing left. We're clear for clamps.
Dimensions look good. Seal the seams and move it to cart 3. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Clear.
Lower it slowly.
The engine room modules are the heart of the vessel, requiring absolute precision during assembly.
Clear the area below. We are lowering the shaft segment now.
Roger that. Coming down slowly.
Bring that section down slowly. Copy that. Watching the alignment now. Clear the area below. We're setting the module down. Roger that. Bring it in slowly.
The synchronized precision of this assembly line ensures every module meets the rigorous standards before final transport.
Foundations are clear on section 4. Copy that. Moving the platform now. Reference point delta is confirmed. Tolerance is green.
We are good for alignment. Lower the block.
Confirmed. Lowering to keel.
The starboard side is drifting slightly. Adjust hydraulic jack 4. Bring it up 0.05.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Clear on this end. Keep coming down.
We are aligned. Set it down. Hold position on the east side. We're stabilizing the hydraulics now.
Copy that. Block is secure. Send in the welders.
All right, team, easy on the descent. We are showing green on the starboard side. Maintain current heating, slow and steady.
Lowering sequence initiated. Confirming position. Slight drift to port. Adjusting now. Hold steady.
Check the laser reading on section 4. We need 2 millimeters starboard. Adjusting hydraulics now. Reading stable at 0.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with tightening.
Engaging the wrench now. Monitor the pressure gauge.
Hold tension on the crane. We are shifting to port. Shifting to port. Alignment confirmed. Secure the bearing.
Bring it down another 2 meters, slowly now.
Alignment looks good. Get the torque wrench on standby.
Following the coating process, intricate piping is installed and inspected against digital schematics, guaranteeing the highest level of precision and workflow.
Clear the line, we're bringing down the next section. Copy that, watching the guide wire.
Ensure the bend radius is maintained there.
Torquing the final connection now. 75 foot-pounds.
Check. Insulation's secure.
We need the next section ready by the lift. Dale, dale. Un poco más a la izquierda.
Pressure check on line 4. What's the reading?
Holding steady at 5 bar.
Alpha team, check tension on line 3.
Reading stable, coming about starboard.
Clearance good, proceeding to drop point. Module descending, stand clear of the landing points.
We have alignment on the aft section, ready for jacks.
Acknowledged. Engaging hydraulics now.
Bridge alignment confirmed, starboard side clear.
Roger that. Proceeding with securing.
Keep it steady, watch the guides.
Almost there.
We have verification, signal the crane to release.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment. We are set on this side. All clear, move to the next section.
A little higher on the left. Right there.
Secured. Moving to the next section.
Clear on the left side, watch the pipes. Okay, easy down, easy down. Alignment looks good, give the signal. How are the clearances looking on level 6?
Alignment is perfect, we are good to go.
All right, set the assembly and secure it.
The refrigeration unit is secure. Check the surface hygiene here before sign-off.
Water flow is strong. Check the pH levels on the main panel.
Levels are stable. The UV system is active.
How is the drainage test proceeding? Flow rate is optimal. Moving to section 3 now.
The sensor connections are showing green across the board. What about the radar calibration? Almost done, just finalizing the alignment now.
Verify the SATCOM connection now.
Link is up and stable.
Solid green across the board.
Attention.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady during the cycle. Locking mechanisms engaged. Seal is confirmed watertight.
The pressure holds steady. It's a confirmed pass. Recording the final sequence now, engineer.
Load steady at 90%. Cable temperatures nominal.
Confirmed. Backup systems are online and stable.
We are clear for full load integration.
Vibration analysis complete. Readings are stable.
Confirmed. Propulsion controls responding nominally. We are ready for sign-off.
Check the alignment on cabin 402. The threshold is off by 2 millimeters. Flooring is clear here, marking the atrium complete. Handrail is spotless, Supervisor.
Turgid. The mechanism here seems slightly stiff.
Confirmed. The release cable tension...
All green on the main intake. Pressure levels stable.
Lower levels, clear the ladders now. Water is rising fast.
Water levels indicate lift off the forward blocks.
Aft section clear. Pressure holding steady.
Tug 1, increase thrust to 50%.
Starboard side clear, passing frame 20.
Roger that, all engines ahead slow.
All engines ahead full. Full ahead confirmed, Captain. Preparing for rudder test. Hard starboard helm now.